Hi Travelers, today we're taking a look at this here, which is the Troubadour Apex Backpack 3.0. Now this is a 25-litre backpack which holds up to a 17-inch laptop. It weighs 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram, and it is built to last, very high quality, premium, and it has a lot of features which I'll show you in a moment. So just taking a look around the bag, first you can see it has this nice leather accent at the top. And I believe this is a vegan leather accent, including the handle as well, which has a lot of nice grip underneath it. Now inside this pocket, you get a very nice felt lined area. And if you can see here, there's also a little area for an air tag there as well. Now the appointments on this bag are really nice. If you can take a look at this zip here, it actually has their logo. Has their logo right there on the side. So there's a lot of small features like that on this bag that just make it feel very premium and high quality. As you can see here as well, you can lock these zippers and they also have their logo on them. And there's a nice little metal logo there as well. There's 2 water bottle pockets on either side. And around the other side, you get this here, which looks like a pocket, but it's actually a pass-through strap. And then you get another logo there and some very nice comfortable straps. Now this strap on this side actually has a pocket, and this pocket actually expands, as you can see, to fit a full-size iPhone, which is a very interesting feature. If you don't need that, you can tuck it away. There is also space here for a sternum strap, so an extra additional purchase for a sternum strap. Now, I love these straps as well. They have these keepers that keep it from dangling. That's something I really love when bags do this, is this strap won't be dangling. It actually always stays attached to the bottom. Now the backpack is, the laptop area is actually hidden by this little flap here, which is great, so it keeps the water out. Very smooth and easy to open. When you get into that area there, you can see I have a laptop in there, and you also get this additional space for iPad or other books, and there's actually quite a bit of space down there. You could put charging cables and stuff as well. Now this is all very nicely padded. This is felt lined as well, so I definitely can feel that that is not going to get damaged. The backpack is also suspended off of the ground, so when you put the bag down, it's not going to damage the laptop. So taking a look inside of the main compartment, zips are very smooth and very nice. You can see there's a nice logo here. And you get this zippered pocket, which goes down to about here. You get 2 stretchy pockets and a pen pocket, another stretchy one. And then you get the 25-litre capacity and a mesh pocket here as well. So I think there's a lot of packability in this bag, a lot of space. You can definitely do a lot with this bag. I have found it to be a very nice, comfortable bag to take to work. It looks very professional. It's been a joy to use. Now I'll just show you, even though it's more of an EDC kind of bag, I'll just show you can actually carry a lot of my more longer term stuff. So that's some clothing. This is the turtle pillow and some toiletries. You can see with all that packed in there, there's actually still quite a bit of room to pack a lot more as well, in addition to everything else that I have in here. So overall, I think it's a really great bag. Definitely worth checking out if you are looking for a more premium bag, this looks professional. You can use it for EDC and for everyday travel. Definitely check out this one from Troubadour. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to click the links in the description if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next one.